was just sitting here reading the word, Jeremiah 30, Deuteronomy 28, Deuteronomy 29, and talking to the Most High. And I'm saying we the Hebrews by bloodline and Israelites by nationality. We have a nation, family. And that nation is being called to service in the kingdom. All this, what the world got going on, family, it's time to rethink yourselves and go and tap in and see what the word talking about. That's our guideline. That's our instruction. That's our culture. The Bible is our culture, family. It's not a religion. Get in tune for real. For real, though. Peace and blessings.